Welcome to TrendSphere. So Black Forest Labs just dropped a major update with Flux 1 Pro, bringing AI image generation to a new level with ultra-realistic visuals and high-speed 4K resolution. We'll also dig into Google's new AI hub. In Saudi Arabia, Microsoft's AI-powered Xbox chatbot, a startup using AI to sniff out fake sneakers, and how Cartier is blending AI with luxury exhibitions. There's a lot to cover, so let's get into it. Let's kick off with Black Forest Labs and their updated 1 Pro image generator. If you're familiar with Stable Diffusion, the popular open-source AI for image generation, you'll recognize some of the team. Here, the folks at Black Forest Labs were actually part of the original crew that developed Stable Diffusion. After leaving, they went on to launch Flux, a model that's pushing AI-generated imagery even further. So with Flux 1 Pro, there are two major new features, Ultra Mode and Raw Mode. Ultra Mode is one of the most talked about features of Flux 1 Pro. It's all about delivering high-resolution images, up to 4K resolution, without sacrificing speed or image quality in the world of AI-generated art. High resolution often comes at a steep cost. Models tend to slow down dramatically, sometimes taking minutes to process a single image. Flux's Ultra Mode changes that. According to Black Forest Labs, it processes images more than 5 times faster than other high-resolution AI models. AI models producing a 4K image in roughly 10 seconds. This speed doesn't come at the cost of detail either. Many high-res models on the market struggle with what's called prompt adherence, meaning they don't always stay true to the input text, especially when processing larger images. Flux's Ultra Mode has been fine-tuned to maintain accuracy, which is a big deal for professionals who rely on prompt precision. This feature alone makes Ultra Mode incredibly valuable for industries like digital marketing, content creation, and even gaming, where high-quality visuals need to be generated quickly and consistently. The pricing model for Ultra Mode is competitive as well, costing about 6 cents per image. Quality and speed. Ultra Mode is particularly appealing to those who work in areas like advertising or media production, where quality can't be compromised and deadlines are tight. Then there's Raw Mode, which offers a completely different aesthetic. One of the biggest criticisms of AI art, especially with earlier models, is that it often looks a bit too polished, almost synthetic. Raw Mode addresses that by aiming to capture the imperfections and candid qualities you'd expect from a real-life photo. Black Forest Labs describes this as creating a less synthetic, more natural aesthetic. With Raw Mode, Flux generates images that look like they were captured in the moment, even if they're completely fabricated by the AI. This mode focuses on diversifying human subjects, adding more realistic texture, expressions, and variations. For instance, when generating portraits, Raw Mode can simulate natural lighting, subtle facial imperfections, and nuanced expressions. The result is a level of depth and diversity that's rare in other AI models, making the images feel much closer to authentic, candid snapshots. Raw Mode is particularly useful for fields that prioritize a natural look. Think photojournalism-style content, documentary projects, or lifestyle brands that rely on a genuine, unfiltered aesthetic. Black Forest Labs has showcased some examples, from portraits to nature shots, and even some offbeat ones like an octopus in a top hat in a bathtub. If you find such videos insightful, then don't forget, like and subscribe for more.